So children, now we are learning chapter 5 decimal fractions. And we did 2 addition, right? With examples. One with 2 decimal places and the other with 3 decimal places. Now let us do practice set 14 page 30, okay? The first question is you have to write the place value of the each digits of the number 378.025. So it is a 3 decimal place. This number is having 3 decimal places, right? So here the places are 7, 3 will be in the hundreds, tens, units, then tenth means the first decimal place is called the 10th place. Second one, hundredth, and the third will be thousandth place. So it will be written this 100 will be 100, tens will be 10, units will be 1, and tenth will be 1 by 10, hundredth will be 1 by 100, and thousandth will be 1 by 1000. Okay, and the digits have been written in columns separately. 3 will come in the 100, 7 in the tens, 8 in the units, and in the 10th place will be 0, 100th 2, and the 1000th 5. Now these columns have been done. This one is not done. These 3 columns have been done. Now we have to write the rest one. Okay. Here, this one, see. Here 3 is in the hundreds. So 3 into 100 will 3 and 2 zeros will be the place value. You are going to write the place value of each digits. Okay. Next one, 7 is in the tens place. So what will be the place value? 7 into 10, that is 70. Next, place value of 8 will be 8 into 1, 8. Next, place value of 0. Place value of 0, if 0 comes in any number, its place value will always be 0. Okay, whichever place, 100 place or 100th place or tens place, units place, it will be, the place value will always of a digit 0 will always be 0. Okay. Next, 100th place, it is 2. It means 2 by 100 you have to do. So what will be the decimal? It is written as 0.02. Okay. And the 1000th place they have done, that is 5 by 1000, that is 0.005. So these are the place value of each of the digits of this number 378.025. Okay. Now children, let's go to the second question. Here you have to solve. That means we are going to do addition of numbers, okay, with decimals in them. So here it is 905.5 and this is 27.197. So this number is having 3 decimal places, right? So when you are adding, what you will do is, this is having 1 decimal places. You can write 2 zeros here just to make the addition. So both the numbers will have same number of decimal places and the addition will be same. That is, if you write 905.5 or 905.50 of if you add any number of zeros here, its value doesn't change. So this one is having, but this one is having 3 decimal places. So to make both the numbers have the same number of decimal places, we are adding 2 zeros. That doesn't change the value of this number. Okay. That means 905.5 is same as 905.500. We are doing this just to make addition easy. Okay. So 0. So now you will do adding. Simple addition. 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 9 is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 7 is 12. And 1 carry, you will carry 1 here. 2 plus 1 will be 3 and 9. So this will be the sum of both the numbers with fractions. Okay. Next number given is 39 plus 700.65. Okay. Now let us write the bigger number up here. Okay. First, before writing 39, you will write 700.65 in the top. Okay. Anyway, you can write now 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Same way, You can write in any order. We are writing this at the top, okay? Next you have to write 39. Now 39 can be written as what? 39.00, okay? It doesn't change its value. So now you will do addition. 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 0 is 6, and 0 plus 9 is 9, and 0 plus 3 is 3, and here it is 7. So this will be the answer. So this 39 we are writing it with 2 decimal values. Why? As 00, 39.00, just to make, when you are adding, if the both are having same decimal places, it will we have to add it that way, okay? You have to make both have same decimal places. So which is having less, you can add zeros and make it of the same value. Here you have added 2 zeros here, here you have added 2 zeros here. That doesn't change the value of this. This is same as this, and here 39 is same as this, but it makes addition easier, okay? So we have done 2 of them in practice set 14. Question number 2 solved, okay? Now children, look at the third question. Here you are having 3 numbers to be added, okay? So see, this is not having any decimal. This is having 1 and this is having 3 decimal places. So let us first write the number with the most number of decimal places. This one, right? Now we have to make both have the same number, that is 3 decimal places. How will you write? This one, how will you write? You will write 27.7 and then put 2 zeros. I told you it doesn't change the value. Now this 40, you can write 40.000, okay? Putting zeros doesn't change the value, okay? Putting zeros on the which side? Right side. Right side of any number, okay? After the decimal, if you put zeros on the right side of any digit, that is on the right side of 7 or on the right side of, without, if there are no decimals, you can put 0.000 any number of zeros. That is 40 can be written as 40.00, 20 can be written as 20.00, okay? Doesn't change the value. And here it is 1 decimal value, 27.7 can be written as, you can add any number of zeros to the right side of 7, okay? This 7, that is in the which place? 10th decimal place, okay? Now we'll do addition now, simple addition. 1, all these are 0, 5 plus 0, 0, 0, 5. Now 7 plus 4 will give you 11. 1 carry over here. 7 plus 2 plus 1, that is 10. 1 carry over here. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So this will be the answer. So in these 3 questions you are making what? All the numbers will be made into made to have the same number of decimal places, okay? If one is having the one which is having the maximum, if one is having 3, you will make the rest of the 2 also have 3. If one is having 2, the other 2 will also be made to have 2, okay? Whichever number is having, just see which is having most number of, here this is having 3, okay? That means the other 2 will also have 3. Also to be made have 3 decimal. This also should be written having 3 decimal places, and this should also be written with 3 decimal places, okay? And in case 2 is the maximum decimal place in any, the other number also should be made with 2 decimal places. Means all the 3 numbers, or if we are adding 2 numbers or if you are adding 3 numbers, whatever, the decimal places have to be same, then only you can do addition, okay? You are changing, you are converting this into 3 decimal places, these 2. See, this is made 700, this is means 27.700, and 40 has been written as 40.000, okay? This way we are doing the addition, okay? So that we can have 3 decimal places, which this one is having 3 decimal places. This you can change into 2 or 1, okay? But this you can change into 3, okay? Smaller decimal places can be changed into bigger, but bigger ones cannot be changed into smaller decimal places. This 40, which is having no decimal place, can be changed into a 3 decimal place number, and this with only 1 decimal place can be changed into a 3 decimal place number. That is what then all the 3 numbers will have 3 decimal places. Then you will do the addition like you do for simple integer, same way as borrowing and borrowing. You get this as the final answer. Okay, so we did one practice set 14. First one, which we had to fill in the place values, and the second one solving addition 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now tomorrow we'll do the rest of the practice set 14 questions. Okay, till then, bye children.